In order to install NETBEANS 12.2, we need Java JDK 8. Let's see how to install it. Open any browser and search for Java JDK 8 download. Click on the link which is provided by Oracle and scroll down and download for Windows 64-bit version. Wait until that lock symbol appears there, or else you will be redirected to another website. Click on it, accept the terms and click on download. Now you will be required to log in through your Oracle credentials. Enter your credentials and click on sign in. Once you have been signed in successfully, you can download the Java JDK 8. Once it has been downloaded, just click on it. And it will start to install. Click on next. Click on next. OK. And click next. Once the installation is done, click on close. Now we need to assign the environmental variable. For this, go to this PC, open local disk C, program files. In program files, open Java 1.8, bin, and now copy the address. Now search for edit environmental variables. Open it, click on environmental variables, double click path. Now click new and paste the address. Now the Java JDK version has been installed successfully. Now we need to download the NETBEANS 12.2. For that, open any browser. In your browser, search for NETBEANS download. Open the website which is provided by Apache. Scroll down to find older releases. Click on find out more. Now search for NETBEANS 12.2 and click on the download button. Now download for Windows 64-bit version. Wait until the download is completed. Once the download is completed, you can just simply click on it. Click on next. Accept the terms. Click on next. Now you need to change the JDK to 1.8. Now I am changing the download path. You can ignore this since I have storage issues. I am changing my path to E drive. You don't have to do this. But be sure to put the JDK version in 1.8. Now click on next and the installation will be completed. And you can see that Apache NETBEANS 12.2 shortcut has been created to our desktop successfully. Now click on finish and we are able to open Apache NETBEANS without any issues.